Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie, and it's another Sunday. I'm at Aldi. Let's go inside, see what goodies they have, check out the aisle of shame, get my week of groceries, and don't forget at the end, I share my meal plan. Let's get inside. We are having burrito bowls this week, and I want to get the blue corn tortilla chips for those. They're $2.03. We're not having paninis this week, but I love this so much, I'm going to stick it in the freezer at $2 off, so $1.99 for panini bread. And also $1.69 for baguette for a dinner side. I'm going to see if I can get my son to start taking his toast on whole grain bread, so $1.85. And then as a backup, 87 cents for white bread. Wish me luck. Do you think he'll take it? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to get red grapes for lunch this week. These look really good. They're very firm. And $1.39 a pound. Bananas are 40 cents a pound. I'm going to get just a few because they're pretty dark. I don't know. Let's see. We'll get this bunch. I hit these frequently. 79 cents for cilantro. $1.99 for garlic. Gonna use this for homemade salsa. And green onions for burrito bowls as well. 65 cents. Always in my fridge. I'm gonna make roasted Brussels sprouts, $2.19. For my girls' lunches, I'm going to make a Mediterranean salad, and I need a cucumber, 55 cents. And then I'm also going to need broccoli for our Korean beef dinner, $1.79 a pound. Okay, eggs, $1.26 a dozen. I completely ran out last week. Oops. $2.41 for a gallon of white milk. I love the oat milk, but I'm going to go back to almond milk this week. Vanilla unsweetened almond milk for $1.79 for granola. I'm running low on onions, so $1.89 for these. I'm getting corn for burrito bowls. Great topping, 43 cents. Another topping for burrito bowls. My daughter actually requested this dinner, 58 cents, and she's vegetarian. I'm getting these again because my kids are in love with them, 98 cents. I need chickpeas or garbanzo beans, 61 cents. I'm going to get 2 cans. I'm making a Mediterranean salad for my girls' lunches with veggies. Running low on soy sauce, $1.35. Black olives for burrito bowls, $1.19. Yummy. Grape tomatoes, $2.35. I'm going to get these. Okay, $1.89 for pickles. We just run out and keep these in the fridge. Okay, this is for the Mediterranean salad. Red wine vinegar, $1.99. All of my kids have recently taken a liking to these. Peanut butter, chewy dipped bars, $1.29. Okay, my favorite granola is gone, but I'm going to get this cinnamon granola crunch, $2.99. I wish they'd get the Aldi brand back. But Capri Suns, $2.48. They have these giant plants for $13. That seems like such a good value. That one is so pretty. I am not able to keep plants alive, but the pots are cute. Lots of them here. They don't have many left, but these adorable succulents. These are so cute. Sheet sets. They have twin and full and dinosaur and hearts. Makes me wish I needed sheets. This is what I was looking for this summer at Aldi. A bed tray. Could have really used that when my daughter was recovering from surgery. Soup holders. I love that. They have the serving trays, candles, diffusers. I think that's kind of cool. Looks like a plant. Diffuses. We finally got the towels here. I know that's a few weeks old. A cord reel, ring cushion, leggings, socks. I'm actually pretty interested in this because you don't have to buy a refill, which I think is nice. You can make your own. I'm going to have to think if I want that or not. If anyone has it, let me know. But I like that it's all reusable and make your own. And it's only $14.99. Stainless steel or the chrome shelves, blanket ladder, the wine racks are still here, planters. Getting into all the old stuff. Still so many toys. I think these are the most adorable thing ever. But we don't need any, unfortunately. They have all the games. Again, all this stuff I think was supposed to be here at Christmas. Oh, stuffies. And look what we finally have here. I'm not going to get any, but they are adorable. I cannot argue with that. Telescopic snow brush. All the candies are still here. We have the large pet beds, one of the pop-out seats. These baking dishes are super cute. I love the pie shape. The giant stock pots, the cutlery set. This is kind of tempting, but really I don't need it, so I'm going to pass. Lots of baking items here. And I'm just waiting. How long until these go on clearance? I don't want them, but they've been floating around in different spots forever, and I don't think anyone's bought them, but they don't go on sale. I need 2 cans of the Aldi version of Rotel to make my homemade salsa, 68 cents. Beef broth for beef and noodles. I bought some noodles earlier this week. I shared a midweek haul, so I'm going to use those up, $1.25. We completely ran out of white sugar. I'm going to get 2 of them because that fills my storage container, so $2.02 each. I have a lot of frozen chicken, and I prefer to use that, but since I'm using a lot of chicken this week and it's only $1.99 a pound, I am going to get it fresh this week, so $9.99 for this pack. Okay, I'm going to get breakfast blend, $3.99. Love this coffee. I actually love both of these. And this is my favorite bean if I grind it. Pie crust is even more discounted. I thought this was $4 off. I was going to try it, but it's only $1 off, so pass. They have barbecue and honey barbecue and buffalo styled wings. $8.99. Raviolis. We bought these last year for Super Bowl and we loved them, so I think I'm going to grab a couple, but I need to see the price. They're $3.99, so I am going to grab some of those. Just the box. And I will save them for Super Bowl again. Dino nuggets, not going to get them, but my son loves them. Veggie spirals, more pierogies, bagel pizza, pizza rolls, pancakes. I'm getting more shredded Parmesan for Parmesan crusted chicken, $1.99. $3.29 box of tangerine waters. Getting 5 original waters just to stack up again, 57 cents a piece. Okay, here's my very official opinion. This is not worth buying. I didn't like it that much, but this one is amazing. And since I see it again, I'm getting it $1.99. Okay, these are so cute. I'm gonna get these for my kids. $1.99. I also need diced tomatoes for my salsa, $1.59. I'm not getting these, but they're pretty interesting. Dunkin' cereal and latte creme cookies, $1.99. Okay, I'm getting cauliflower rice to go with our Korean beef dinner and our Burrito Bowls, $1.49. Of course, my husband wanted me to get vanilla ice cream, $4.95. And this is it for the week. Anyone want to take a guess at my total? As a reminder, I don't shop exclusively at Aldi. I just try to get most of my stuff here and whatever I can. Okay, my total is $93.77. Let's get to the meal plan for the week. I'm making a Parmesan crusted chicken with mashed potatoes. I'm gonna roast Brussels sprouts for that dinner, and also for the next dinner, chicken and dumplings. I use a Cracker Barrel copycat recipe. I'm gonna make homemade buttermilk biscuits. We're having beef and noodles. I'm gonna cut up the baguette and make green beans. We're gonna have burrito bowls. I'm gonna use frozen chicken that I have for that, or frozen taco meat, probably whichever I find first in the freezer. We're gonna have Korean beef in the Instant Pot, broccoli, and white rice. I bought the beef for this last week in the middle of the week at a different Aldi. We're gonna go out to eat for one of the nights. My daughter has basketball. We're just gonna eat on the road, so probably fast food. And then we will have leftovers of everything that we have here. If you're interested in seeing how I make beef and noodles, you can check out this video right here. Also, if you want to see a few items that I got from Meijer to supplement this week's haul, you can check that out on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.